Hi, hello, welcome to Surya Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the video for the kit of 36 volt 250 watts bicycle conversion kit coming with the brand of CY. So this is the complete unboxing of this kit. So many of the people are asking for this 36 volt 250 watts video. So that is why we have created the video for 36 volt 250 watts kit. So this kit having the specialty, it's coming with a charger. So this is the complete unboxing of this kit. So in this video we can able to show you what are all the kits that is present, what are all the accessories we will provide along with this kit. So you can see completely. So if you want, you can book it from our online store, sconsonlinestore.com. In this website we have all the types of kits, like bicycle kind of kits, like BLDC motor kind of kits, hub motor kit 10 inch starting from 1000 watts to 1500 watts, and higher end kits like bike kits 16, 17, 18 inch we have conversion kits starting from 1000 watts to 2000 watts. We have the bike kind of kits and all the accessories that we are providing. In the website link in the downstairs, we are in the down, there will be the website will be scrolling. You can kindly check our online website and you can book your order. We have credit card, debit card option all over India, free shipping, UPI, Google Pay, all the options are available. You can make use of the website with the discount sale that we are providing. That is what the greater advantage. We providing you the discount sale along with these connection kind of activities. You can make use of this video to convert your normal cycle to electrical cycle. So coming to the video, we have 3 sections of video you already known from the previous. So first one will be the full kit details. In the full kit details, we are explaining you what are all the accessories that we are providing along with this kit. Okay. So second thing will be the connection segment. Connection segment, how the connections are made between the controller and the motor, and the throttle section, brake section, headlight cum horn, and the axial sensor connections, and all we will clearly explaining you each and every wire. And next thing will be the final testing and demo. In the testing and demo, we can accelerate and see how the motor can be rotated. Okay. Now let's move on to the section of full kit details. So in the full kit details, we will starting from motor. We can show you the specification of the motor. You can easily identify. So this is the high-speed brushless motor coming with the brand of CY brand, original 36 voltage. The power will be 250 watts. So this is the good copper winding hub motor. The quality of the motor will be very good. 36 volt 250 watts motor. Okay. So next, coming to the category of controller. So here this is the controller. This is the 24/36 volt controller, 250 watts, and also the current rating will be the 14 ampere. Okay, controller 14 ampere. Okay, this is the controller coming with a CY. Okay, and the next thing will be the throttle. Display throttle with power key switch. So in this display throttle, we have the battery level indication starting from E to F. E will be the empty state, F will be the full state. Here it indicates the full battery. So this is the colorful indications that you can easily identify, along with the 2 key switches we are providing for on and off. Okay. Next thing will be the horn with light. So this is the horn with the light. So here will be the horn, inbuilt horn with the headlight will be present. So I am just turn on the light. You can easily identify the light getting turned on, and once you press the horn switch, you can get the full horn. So this is the throttle with horn. So you can see the light of the It will be very powerful headlight. In the night time, in the early morning, you can use this light for your ride applications. Okay, so we will provide you full kit along with the horn system. We will provide you this kit, and next thing will be the brake assembly. The brake assembly consists of left side and the right side brake. Okay, left side and the right side brake assembly we will provide. And the next thing will be this is the speed axial sensor. This is the speed sensor. Okay, you can attach with the motor. So right now we are not attaching. You can fit in the cycle, you can use this. Okay, so on the final thing will be the charger. This is the charger along with this AC/DC adapter, having the specification input 230 volt and the output voltage maximum will be 42 volt DC with 2 amp current rating. Okay, so this is the charger we are providing along with this kit. This is the power input and this is the output in terms of DC socket. Okay, so this is what the specialty of this kit. This kit is coming along with this charger, 36 volt 250 watts CY bicycle conversion kit. Okay, so now let's move on to the second section, that is connection details. So in the connection details, from the motor we having the wire. It is directly going to the controller. In the controller we have 3 set of wires, you already know. That is yellow to yellow. It is yellow to yellow. Now I am turn off this power supply. Yellow to yellow, green to green, and blue to blue. You can connect accordingly. So this is the motor wire. So this is the control line. So black to black, green to green, blue to blue. Here yellow, this white you can leave it. Black to black, green to green, blue to blue, yellow to yellow, and red to red. Okay, this is the motor and the control connections. So this is the brake connections. This black and yellow will be the connection, one set of connections. If the black is going to blue, the yellow is going to red. So this is the connector. You can't change and connect because this is not getting connected. Okay, so you don't worry, this all are connector based. So next thing will be the right side. So yellow to red and black to blue. Okay, this is the 2 set of brake connections. So now let's move on to the throttle section. We have 2 set of thing. One is the power key switch and acceleration. Okay, this 3 will be the acceleration. This red, green and black is going to red, green to green, and black to black. Okay, so and this thing will be the power key switch. This red and white and orange to yellow. This red one will be the supply, this orange one will be the control output. Okay, power key switch. So now let's move on to this throttle horn with headlight. So here we having 2 set of thing. The 2 set of things will be, this thing will be the green will be the light and red will be the horn. You can connect accordingly. This is the 3 connector. So this is the output connector. This is directly, this green will be the light and the red will be the horn. Okay, you can connect this. This is going to controller. Okay, so this is all about the connection. Now let's move on to the third part, that is testing and demo. In the testing and demo we can turn on the throttle and we can accelerate and see how the motor is getting rotated. So if you want, you can book the kit from our online store, sconsonlinestore.com, 36 volt 250 watts. Okay, so now let's move on to the demo section. So now I am on side, turn off and on. Okay, now the vehicle is in on condition. Now we can give the throttle. Slowly you can increase step by step. Okay, the motor is being rotated. You can see the speed of the motor. You can see the motor speed. So this is the high speed motor coming with 36 volt to 50 watts CY brand. So now I am applying the braking system. I am applying only one brake right away. So you can see I am applying the brake and it is turned off. Okay, you can see. So this is what the live demo of this kit. So now I am accelerating to the full speed. So this is full speed of the motor. You can easily identify. So if you want, you can book the kit from our online store, scesonlinestore.com. So this is what about 36 volt 250 watts motor conversion kit, bicycle conversion kit. Okay. So kindly subscribe to our channel. Many of the people are watching. Kindly subscribe and watch. Then only the notification come to your phone that the market launching new kits will be updated in our channel. So regularly watch our YouTube videos for the more details on the upgradation of the kits that we are lively showing the demo in the for your purpose only, for the sake of converting your normal cycle to petrol, normal cycle to electrical cycle. So you can make use of the video. That is why I told to watch the video fully. Okay. So kindly subscribe and you can the bell button you can click. So thank you. That's all about the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.